This is just an update to the current video. It's a couple of years later, but an Airman Bear requested in the comments down below that I show how to take this cover off. And I just happen to still have the saw. So to take this cover off, you want to release the brake. You need a T25 torque screwdriver, and there's 1, 2, 3 screws that hold this on. You loosen the screws, move the brake forward, and then just lift it right off. I have to put this camera down. A little wiggle, a little jiggle, and it comes off. As you're pulling this cover off, you have to hold this brake forward a little, and that's it. So you have 1, 2, 3 screws. I don't know if anybody else was stuck on that, but that's how you get the cover off. Until next time, everyone, stay safe.